All right, we're back in Vegas at the Extron AV Technology Open House here in Las Vegas, and I'm here with Tim Schnabel. Tim, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Tim Schnabel. I'm the Director of Sales for Enterprise Software and Media Capture here at Extron, and I'm here to present our latest streaming media processor, the SMP 401.
Yeah, everyone who's in the higher education market knows the SMP series, as a lot of us use it for streaming out of the classroom or even recording things.
Well, this is our next generation. It's a very powerful one-box solution for 4K 60 recording and streaming. It streams any AV input you're sending it. It has quality encoders, both H.264 and H.265.
How many encoders?
Has got 4 built-in encoders that are fully configurable, and you can mix and match whether you want an H.264 or H.265 stream on there.
This is your first H.265 product.
Correct. It is our first H.265 in the market. Because it's 4K 60, we need the higher encoding to compress files for customers who need that requirement.
Yeah, and as far as output, where can we send it to? I mean, obviously at UNC we use Panopto, but there's a lot of different systems out there.
Well, you could capture and carry on a thumb drive, but people could set it up to a network share FTP, and we have full integration to platforms like Panopto, Kaltura, Yuja, OpenCast. Out of the box can publish, and we have optional upgrades if you want to do deeper integrations with those products.
All right, and then tell me about some of the features that you have in here, because this looks a lot different than your other SMPs.
There's some similarities, but there's higher capability on the IOs. On the HDMI inputs, there's 3 of them. They're the 2.0 standard. Okay. We have an option for a 12G SDI input. Wow. I was just talking to a gentleman using SDI cameras.
So for live events, or if you're actually doing you have a really high-end speaker and you want to send that out beyond just the classroom itself, that's really nice to have an SDI port.
Correct, and like many of the newer Extron products, we have the dual network setup, well, internal and external LAN. We feature a new 2.2-inch LCD color window here for a confidence preview, quick setup, but there's also a splash screen that will show you the next scheduled event that's going to happen.
Very nice. That's new as well.
That's correct.
And what is this? Tell me about that box there.
This is our optional remote control panel, RCP 401. This is new for this product. You could do some simple ad hoc start, stop, pause, switch layouts, set a mark command. If you don't want to integrate it to your touch panel, it's a low-cost, effective tool to tie into the SMP for ease of recording.
Yeah, this would be nice in a small classroom where you don't have a fancy control system and all you need is the control of the SMP.
Right, that's why we made it.
All right. So is this available now, the SMP 401?
It's available now in a limited release, but full-scale market release will occur in late summer.
Excellent. All right. And of course, you can see all this at extron.com. And we're going to head on to the next station. Thanks, Tim. I really appreciate it.
Gary.
Thank you.
Thank you.